Hey guys, it's Nat with Darling Authority, and today I'm going to show you how I created my barcode system. You only need a couple items to get started. First, obviously a clothing item. Next are these Avery address labels, printed business cards, and a tagging gun from Amazon. Then you're going to go to the Shopify app store and search for retail barcode labels. Once in the app, you're going to click create barcodes and wait for this little guy to turn green. Once that happens, you're ready to start printing your labels. Click print labels and then start searching for all of the items that you want tagged. I'm going to start with this rainy day sweater just as an example. Next, select your label template, which I chose the Avery standard, and set the number of labels to what's in stock. Finally, you're going to click print and it'll create this document for you. This is what the final product looks once it's printed out. Now all there's left to do is peel off that sticker, put it on the back of your business card, grab that tagging gun, and tag all of your clothing items with those labels. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think.
Small business hack. Save money and print your own labels, fragile stickers, care, and instruction stickers.
Are you a small business owner that brings prepaid packages to the post office? If your local post office has a kiosk, you have the option to scan the prepaid label on your package. When scanned, the tracking on that package immediately shows that it was received by the post office. This is a great little hack if you're behind schedule or if you're dropping it off on a Saturday afternoon. Follow for more tips.
I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to make product mockups. Let's go. So first you want to make your design in Design Space or whatever program you use. If you're using Cricut, you want to go to settings and turn off your grid so you have a plain white canvas. Full screen, enlarge your image and then screenshot it. Then you need this program called Photoscape X, it's free. Go to cutout and drag and drop your image in. Then you want to go magic eraser and click to take away the background. Now it'll leave these boxes, but don't do them individually. Click on contiguous and it'll remove them all. Then just save it and head over to editor. Drag and drop your clothing or whatever image you're using, and then go to insert image and pop in your cutout that you've just made. Now you can move it, resize it, tilt it, whatever you need to.
As a small business owner, the sweetest thing you can do is write a thank you note. Handwrite it. It makes it more special. Or if you want to be fancy, create a thank you card. And I'll show you how to make one in the next video.
Things about Etsy I wish I knew sooner. Part 1.
So when you're doing your tags, be sure to put your business name as one of the tags so that when people search you up, they can see your products right away.
So here you can see I have all my tags, and the last one that I put is neon lemon stickers. So now when I search my name, all of my stickers show up. Happy selling!
Advice about starting a business from an actual small business attorney. Part 1 of, I don't know how many this is going to be, but rule number 1, start your business entity as soon as possible. And that doesn't mean start your business as soon as possible. File as an LLC as soon as possible, which is a limited liability company. This is because you're going to be protected from the moment you file, no matter if you're selling or not. Because even if you're not selling anything yet, if you're just preparing to launch your business, you can still be sued because you are building buzz, you're trying to create that momentum. I'm sure you started socials, maybe you're entering into contracts already. If you're already doing those things, but you haven't started selling, you can still be sued. You want to have that protection, so you want to file the LLC as soon as possible. I've had podcast episodes on this, so you can find more resources to dive deeper into this. Comment below if you want me to give you the link for the podcast.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
Money saving hacks as a small business. Make a free account with UPS to get free shipping supplies. Look into rewards credit cards to get cash back on all your business spending. Use websites like Canva to make free social posts and graphic designs. Use websites like Top Cashback and Quidco to get cash back on all online spending. I'm broke, baby. Follow for more tips.
How to get your logo on your poly mailers. You'll need a custom stamp. I got mine from Etsy. This special kind of ink, it's $9 on Amazon, and that's it. You literally just dab and stamp. You have to dab it each time. If not, it won't come out as dark. But that's it. Hope this helps.
Small business tips on how to ship out orders. Using a shipping label printer will save you money in the long run. You can get it on Amazon and you do not need ink for this printer. I use Shopify to print out my shipping labels. When I first started my business, you guys, I was using a regular printer, and I'm so happy I finally got this. It's so much more faster and it doesn't need ink, so you save money.
11 business deductions you must know. Your home office, take a percentage of the home that you utilize. Your phone and internet bills, if it's all business, it's 100% write-off. Meals, you can take up to 50% off. Travel, it's a business trip, it's 100% deductible. Meals are still 50% with that though. Your vehicle is either by mileage rate or actual expense. Interest on business loans and credit cards. Education for improving skills for business. Insurance that is business related. Your rent is 100%. Your startup cost, anything up to $5,000, which can include attorney fees and consultants. And your advertising, any Facebook, Google ads, and your website.
Hello everyone, today we got a new machine that turns all of your boxes into recycled packing material. You can literally save your company thousands of dollars in bin fees and other packing materials that you'd usually buy. We will be saving at least $10,000 a year, if not more, and also doing our part to reduce waste and help save our planet. Moving forward, we're going to try and use all our recycled boxes for all of our customer orders.
I'm going to tell you guys the easiest way to ship your packages at home. On my previous video, I showed you guys the printer that doesn't use ink and prints 100 labels in 1 minute. I'm going to show you how fast it prints with shipping ease. So immediately when I buy the labels, it starts printing immediately without pressing anything. It will show you the customer's order number and what they bought. When you put my username on Rollo.com, you will be saving 18 bucks, and now they are ready for shipment.
You guys want to know the best marketing I've ever done? When I first launched my business, no one knew of me, obviously. But my 1 or 2 competitors were actually quite large. They were getting about 4,000 monthly searches. So I set up a Google ad and I put in their brand name as the keyword. So whenever someone searched for them, my ad came up. Basically, I outbid them on their own brand name. This not only generated so much traffic, but also got me a bunch of sales. To date, it is the best marketing tactic I've ever done. If you're just starting out and you have a small budget, I highly recommend this strategy. If you've got a competitor that is bigger than you and that has a lot of monthly searches, make sure to bid on their brand name. If you want to find out how many monthly searches they've got, go to Google Keyword Planner.
You could do this, but as a small business owner, you need to understand marginal cost. You can make thousands of stickers with an embosser, or you could pay $20 for 1,000 stickers every single time. The marginal cost continues to decrease with an embosser. With stickers, it's the same forever.
Small business owners, here are some mistakes that you could be making that can get you sued. Using unauthorized images without permission. If you are not using images that are listed for commercial use, you could get sued. 2. If you don't have terms and conditions on your websites or disclaimers, you could get sued. And 3, here's a big one that I've seen a lot of TikTokers do recently. If you're using things like Chanel, Gucci, and other brand names and you are not authorized, that is considered both a copyright and trademark infringement, and that can get you sued big time. So guys, be careful and sell smart. Follow me for more information.
Hey guys, if you're a small business and you have an HP inkjet printer that you use to make stickers or really anything that uses a ton of ink, you need to know this hack. It's called Instant Ink, and I swear I won't buy ink any other way from now on. So instead of paying per cartridge, you pay per page, which means if you're printing out pages that use a ton of ink, you're gonna end up saving a ton of money. Like for me, I chose the 100 page a month plan, and those 100 pages will probably use the entire set of cartridges. And at only $5 a month, that means I'm paying $5 for all of my ink.
Small business tips part 2. So I'm going to tell you where to buy your packaging for really cheap. They're called bubble mailers. So on Amazon, it's $27 for only $25. But at UPackandShip, you could buy 50 for only $11 or 1,000 for $161. So on Amazon, you'd be paying $1.08 for one. And on UPackandShip, they'd only be 16 cents. That definitely saves a lot of money, especially if you're just starting out.
Oh my god, this is the best fucking expense I've ever made for my shop. I no longer have to pay extra fees for rounded edges on my business cards. And the fact that I have so many cards because I do pins, and this is how I put my pins on my cards, means I no longer have to pay almost $30 per batch. It's a little bit messy, but totally worth it. Let me show you how it works. You take your stack of cards, stick them in here. You use this little thing to make sure that they're aligned evenly. Then you make sure you have both hands when you're doing this, and you just take it, and you just do that. You repeat this step 4 times. And then once you're done, your cards will look like this.
For the people that asked if the stamping ink worked on bubble mailers, it does. The only thing is you have to use a little bit more pressure, or maybe a lot, for it to spread evenly. But as you can see, it does work and it doesn't rub off.